everyone, I'm Bonnie, Dan's assistant. Excited to be here with you all today.
Okay, so for today we have the subject of a lot of interest, how to make money with AI. Bonnie, can you please help us?
Absolutely, Dan. There are several ways to make money with AI. You can create AI-driven applications, offer AI consulting services, develop AI-powered content, or even invest in AI-related stocks. What specific area would you like to dive into first?
Let's say we are beginners in this aspect. What would you choose to go first? For example, maybe services?
For beginners, starting with AI services can be a great option. You can offer services like chatbots for customer support, data analysis, or automating repetitive tasks for businesses. These services don't require a deep understanding of AI, but can provide immediate value to clients. Does that sound like a good starting point?
Yes, but for creating services, you also need to create a platform which will require a lot of traffic and views and something like that. I don't know, can you maybe give us something more easier?
Yes, you're right. Creating a platform might seem challenging at first, but there are many tools and resources available to help. You can use platforms like Shopify for e-commerce, or even create a simple website using WordPress to showcase your AI services. Additionally, there are AI platforms like TensorFlow or Azure AI that provide frameworks to build your services on. Would you like to know more about any specific tools or platforms?
No, this sounds too complicated. I mean, they have to create a website, they have to create an idea, they need to outsource the service. I mean, I suppose they need to buy a plugin from Code Canyon or something like that, and it's too much stuff. Can you please give us other ideas, like, I don't know, something that we can implement in one day, maybe?
Sure, let's simplify things. If you're looking for something that can be implemented quickly, here are a few ideas. 1. Freelance AI work. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to offer simple AI-related services such as basic data analysis, creating simple chatbots, or writing scripts for automation. You can get started quickly and build your skills as you go. 2. AI content creation. Use AI tools like chatgpt to help businesses generate content for their blogs, social media, or websites. This can be done without needing to set up a complex platform.
Perfect.
3. Online AI courses and tutoring. If you have some knowledge of AI, you can offer tutoring services or create online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. This way you can share your knowledge and earn money without needing a complex setup. 4. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Promote AI tools and platforms through a blog or social media and earn commissions. You don't need to create your own product. Just share helpful tools and earn a percentage of the sales. 5. AI-powered surveys and market research. Use AI tools to create and analyze surveys for businesses. This can be a quick way to offer valuable insights to companies without needing advanced technical skills. These options are more straightforward and can be implemented quickly, even by those new to AI.
Yes, this is perfect. By the way, I also work on Upwork, so I know that you can get a project in like 1 or 2 days, maybe in a few hours if you are good at that. And you can also deliver the project in 2 or 3 days and get paid. So this is easier than creating a website, than trying to build and establish a presence online on social media and stuff like that. And of course, waiting for the first client, it's a long waiting. So yes, this sounds more manageable for somebody that is freshly starting in this business. Do you want to discuss in detail about freelancing?
Let's dive into freelance AI work on platforms like Upwork.
Perfect.
It's a great way to start because you can offer specific services and build your portfolio quickly. Here are some steps to get started.
Yes, please.
1. Create a strong profile. Make sure your Upwork profile is complete with a professional photo, a clear description of your skills, and any relevant experience or projects you've worked on. Highlight your AI skills and any tools you're proficient with. 2. Identify in-demand services. Look for what clients are frequently requesting in the AI domain. Common services include data entry automation, chatbot development, simple machine learning tasks, and data analysis. 3. Start small and build your reputation. Initially,
It's very
you might
important.
take on smaller projects to build your reputation and get positive reviews. As you gain experience and positive feedback, you can start bidding on higher paying projects. 4. Use AI tools to enhance your work. Leverage easy-to-use AI tools like chatgpt for content creation or Google Sheets for simple data analysis. This can help you deliver high-quality work quickly. 5. Communicate effectively with clients. Clear communication is key. Make sure to understand the client's requirements thoroughly and keep them updated on your progress. Good communication can lead to repeat business and referrals. Does this sound like a good place to start?
Yes, this is perfect. You analyze this very good. So, for example, if you don't know where to start, first you need a very professional image. So you can also use AI to enhance your photo and look more, I don't know, more professional, more natural, more better. I don't know, better. After that, you need to create your profile.
Absolutely. Using AI to enhance your profile photo can make a significant difference. Tools like Adobe Photoshop and even simpler ones like FaceApp can help improve the quality and professionalism of your image. You can adjust lighting, remove blemishes, and even add a professional background to make your photo stand out. Having a polished professional photo can really help make a strong first impression on potential clients. It's a quick and effective way to boost your profile and attract more opportunities.
But I have another idea how to use AI in building your freelance portfolio or something like that. So, for example, you can use ChatGPT to build your profile and I don't know, works or portfolio or free stuff.
That's a fantastic idea. Using ChatGPT to help build your profile and create your first proposals can save a lot of time
Yes.
and ensure you present yourself effectively. You can use AI to, 1, craft a professional bio. Input your skills, experience, and what you're looking to achieve. ChatGPT can help you draft a concise and compelling bio that highlights your strengths. 2, write proposals. For each job you apply to, ChatGPT can help you tailor your proposals to the client's needs, ensuring that each one is personalized and professional. 3, generate portfolio content. If you need sample projects or descriptions of your services, ChatGPT can help you create detailed and polished descriptions, even if you're just starting out. Would you like a quick example of how ChatGPT can help draft a proposal or bio?
No, I think giving them the idea is just enough because for each individual it will be personalized, so we don't need to create one that is standard.
Absolutely. Giving them the idea is definitely a great start. Each person's profile and proposals will be unique to their skills and experiences. Encouraging them to personalize their content will make their applications more genuine and effective. Anything else you'd like to discuss or add?
Yes, for example, how do you know what service to promote? I mean, I have an idea, but if you want, you can tell them.
Sure, choosing the right service to promote can be challenging, but here are a few tips to help beginners identify their best options.
Yes, please.
1. Identify your strengths and interests. Start with what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. This could be anything from data analysis, content creation, social media management, or customer support. 2. Research market demand. Look at job postings on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. See what services are in high demand and which ones align with your skills. Services related to automation, chatbot creation, and data analysis are often in demand. 3. Start with simple tasks. Choose services that don't require advanced skills, but are still valuable to clients. For example, setting up chatbots, performing basic data entry automation, or helping with simple social media tasks. 4. Learn and adapt. Be open to learning new skills. Start with a service you're comfortable with and gradually expand your skill set based on market needs and client feedback. 5. Leverage AI tools. Use AI tools to enhance your services. For example, you can offer AI-powered content creation, automate repetitive tasks, or provide data-driven insights using AI tools. These steps can help beginners find a niche that suits their skills and meets market demand. Does that cover what you had in mind?
Yes, this is basically perfect. This is how I started about 10 years ago. So first, you have two options. Either you are good at something or you may want to choose a service that is in high demand and pays good. I'd choose a service that was and already is in high demand. That's video creation, so I had to learn that from scratch. But I don't recommend this because it's a hard path to go. So if you already have a skill or you already know what are you good at, I suggest you are going to provide what you know. So this is my
Exactly.
personal
Leveraging an
intake.
existing skill or passion can give you a significant head start. Learning a new complex skill just because it's in demand can be tough and time consuming.
Yes.
It's much more effective to build on what you already know and are good at. For example, if you're great at writing, offer content creation or copywriting services. If you have a knack for numbers, consider data analysis
Yes.
or bookkeeping services. Starting with your strengths makes the journey smoother and more enjoyable. Would you like to share any other insights or experiences from your journey?
I mean, from now on, once you decide what you want to do, it's basically easy. It's something that you have to do every day and improve your skill and also try to get more clients. Like every day you need to apply to a new job. And finally, after 2 or 3 days, or depending how lucky you are in the first day, you can get your first client. And using ChatGPT or any other AI tool, you can manage that work in, I don't know, a few hours and get paid. So it's easy as that. Bonnie, do you want to add something else in the end?
Absolutely, Dan. Consistency and persistence are key. Applying to jobs regularly, continuously improving your skills, and leveraging AI tools to enhance your efficiency can significantly boost your chances of success. Don't get discouraged if it takes a few days or even
Yes.
weeks to land your first client.
Yeah.
Persistence pays off. Remember, building a freelance career is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, stay motivated, and use the tools available to streamline your work. Thanks for having me on the podcast today, Dan. It's been great sharing these insights.
So, from what we have discussed until now, what would you choose to do, Bonnie? What would be your first approach to make money?
If I were starting out and
Yes.
looking to make money quickly, I would choose to offer freelance AI services on platforms like Upwork. Specifically, I would focus on one, chatbot development, using platforms like Dialogflow or ChatGPT to create chatbots for businesses. This service is in high demand and can be set up relatively quickly. Two, content creation, offering AI-powered content creation for blogs, social media, and websites. This is another high-demand area that leverages AI tools to provide value efficiently. Starting with these services would allow me to use my strengths in AI while meeting market needs, giving me a good chance to land clients quickly and build a solid portfolio.
So basically, we choose correctly to discuss about freelancing today, right?
Absolutely, freelancing is a fantastic topic. It offers a lot of opportunities, especially with the help of AI tools.
Perfect.
I'm glad we could dive into this and provide some useful insights for beginners.
So I wish you good luck in your new freelancing career. And also, Bonnie, do you want to tell them something in the end?
To all the listeners, remember that the key to success in freelancing is persistence, leveraging your strengths, and continuously improving your skills. Use AI tools to your advantage, stay motivated, and you'll find your path to success. Best of luck on your journey.
Thank you very much, and also don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and everything else, right?
Absolutely. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Your support helps us a lot. Thanks for tuning in.